Have you ever noticed that some people are quietly making money online while others keep struggling every single day? And the crazy part is, most of these opportunities didn't even exist just a few years ago. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI side hustles that people are using right now to make money from home. And trust me, the last one might completely change how you look at making money online. Welcome to Techluxe. This is where we explore modern technology, smart ways to make money, and how people are building real income in today's digital world. Let's get started. So let's start with number 1, AI content creation. Right now, there are people making thousands of dollars every single month just by creating simple videos using AI. No camera, no expensive setup, not even their own voice sometimes. They're using tools like AI video generators, voiceovers, and simple editing to create content on topics like money, motivation, and tech. And here's the crazy part. Most of these channels are completely faceless. Nobody knows who's behind them, but they're still getting millions of views. If you can pick the right topic, stay consistent, and improve your videos over time, this alone can turn into a serious income stream. Now number 2, AI freelancing. This is one of the fastest ways to start making money, especially if you don't want to wait months for YouTube to grow. Right now, businesses are looking for people who can use AI tools to get things done faster. We're talking about things like writing content, designing social media posts, creating ads, or even editing short videos. And the best part is, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to know how to use the right AI tools better than the average person. Platforms like freelance marketplaces are full of clients who are ready to pay, just for saving their time. So if you learn one simple skill and combine it with AI, you can start earning way faster than you think. Now number 3, selling digital products with AI. This is where things start getting really interesting. Because instead of working for clients, you create something once and sell it again and again. We're talking about things like ebooks, guides, templates, or even simple online tools. And guess what? AI can help you create all of this way faster than before. You don't need to spend months writing or designing. With the right prompts and a bit of creativity, you can build something valuable in just a few days. And once it's ready, you can sell it online, 24/7. No office, no boss, just a system that keeps working in the background. This is how a lot of people are building passive income today. Now number 4, affiliate marketing with AI. This is one of the simplest ways to start making money online, because you don't need to create your own product. All you have to do is recommend something that already exists. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Simple as that. Now here's where AI comes in. You can use AI to create content, write product reviews, generate ideas, and even build simple websites or social media pages. So instead of doing everything manually, you're using AI to move faster. Many people are doing this through YouTube, TikTok, or even simple blogs. And once your content starts getting views, those links can turn into a steady stream of income. Now number 5, AI automation. This is where you stop trading time for money and start building systems that work for you. Instead of doing everything yourself, you use AI tools to automate tasks like content creation, posting, emails, or even simple business processes. For example, you can run a YouTube channel, manage social media pages, or even build small online businesses, all powered by AI. Once the system is set up, it keeps running in the background. And that's where real leverage comes in. Because now, you're not just working for money. You're building something that can grow without you being there every second. And this is exactly how many people are scaling their income today. If you're serious about making money online and building real income in today's digital world, subscribe to Techluxe.